عافية. طبعا استكمالا لحلقتنا زي ما احنا ذكرنا قبل شوي، احنا استخدمنا الاتش بي جيت من اكشن. الاكشن هذا بيعمل اكسس على تيبل معينة، دوت ليست بيروح بيجيب لي كل المعلومات اللي جوا التيبل، وريتيرن باسم الفاريبل اللي انا خزنت فيه هذه القيم، فبناء عليها بنروح لو رحنا على سواقر سوري نشوف ان الداتا رجعنا. فرضا انا حاليا ممكن انا بدي ارجع معلومات لشخص واحد بناء مثلا على اي دي معين، فانا شو ممكن اكتب اكشن بناء عليه يرجع لي هاي الداتا. تمام. اول شيء انا راح استخدم نفس هاي HTTP get. تمام سوري استخدم HTTP get all category get one category. نستخدم هنا get one category عشان ترجم الاسم تمام. بناء عليه انا بدي اعرف مثلا اكشن. اول شيء public هاي اكشن اسمه get. تمام. بعدين نسكر curly braces، بعدين نعمل له return awk عشان تروح الايرور. return awk because I'm not going to see this error. So after this I write HTTP get to get something from database, and this is the HTTP attribute, what we call it. This is the action, and this is the return awk. What I'm going to write it inside this to access to some in database and get one category in database. So I'm going to write a variable. I'm going to name it get as I want. I'm going to write this access to the database, not to list. I'm going to use a where, that is condition, and I'm going to open square brackets. And inside this square bracket, I'm going to write a row function. Maybe I'm going to know get, call it get equal largest. This is the name get dot. I'm going to specific. I'm going to get specific thing by the category ID equal. So I'm going to explain what I'm going to write it here. And this, as you see here, we get all of the data. But in this form, in this, I'm going to write int ID. This is what you're going to make it. This is going to make an input field that if I pass it inside it, the ID that I wanted to compare it with the database, if I select this ID, it's inside here, and this ID, I'm going to put it inside in this the input field, and he gonna to pass it here, and they gonna to compare with the database, the category ID in the database, and if the ID matches with the category ID, they're gonna to get not to list, go first or default, first or default, first or default. First ID that have that gonna to have the ID, you're gonna to return it. So I'm gonna to write this. I'm gonna to stop programming and I can go again. Get one category API try all. If I write I have a ID as you see here. Maybe I'm gonna to write ID1. Execute. As we see here, I have the category ID 1, the name, and the category image inside. So this is if I wanted to get category by ID, and if I wanted to get it by name, maybe I have must to I can Control C by name. What I'm going to change? I'm going to change this. Maybe write if I'm going to write string because I wanted to input field to contain a string name and change this name. What I'm going to pass it here, and this is I'm going to dot category name. I'm going to in this action. What I'm going to get it. I want to get one information for one information to category by not ID by name. So if I may stop running, error, why not? Because this is the name. Yes, the route does not have to match it. The route the yes. So this one, this is as you see in the name. If I passed you what and that have as you see here, Omar have three IDC. So I execute Omar. I'm going to have to the information for Omar, the ID and the category name and text. That's it.